found this cute little kimono on eBay. It could be such a cute bikini cover up, but I really want to do it with this lovely pleated white skirt I've got, so let's do that. I've gone with this false collar underneath. Kimono time. Ooh. Right, so now we need to play with the levels. What I mean by that is I don't like where this kimono stops on this skirt, and I also don't like that you can just see a bit of skin here. So I'm going to pull this skirt up so that there's no break. Oh my gosh, I love that. And now that is just the perfect length. Oh, this is so cute. These little shoes. This is so sweet. Earrings. These little earrings. I'm in love. We could bring a red bag into it, but I'm just really enjoying all the white and letting this red be the star of the show. So I'm going to go with this white DVF bag, and I love this outfit. It's so cute. Let's have a twiddle. Thanks for watching. Bye.